The topic of today's video is how to add digital signatures in Zoho Invoice. So here we are on the Zoho home screen, and what you want to do is go to the top right next to your profile icon and click on the settings cog. From inside here, we want to go to customization and PDF templates, and then we want to go to invoices. If it doesn't automatically load you up there, you can just under templates click on invoices, and we want to click on edit. And here's our invoice, and we want to go to the left on other details and click on signature, and you can upload your signature and then give it a name. If you're linked to Zoho Sign, this process is a bit more streamlined, but it's not available for the free version. So this is how we're doing it. And you can also add an additional signature by clicking on the appropriate spot. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.